Micro camper vans aren't for everyone, but for those who crave minimalism, mobility, and creative living, they're nothing short of a dream. Meet the latest tiny marvel from Small Van's Big World, a cozy home on wheels built on a Ford Transit Connect that proves good things truly do come in small packages. This micro camper van offers a smart, efficient layout that makes the most of its limited space without sacrificing comfort, making it ideal for full-time travelers or weekend wanderers alike. At first glance, you'd mistake it for a regular passenger van parked in your neighborhood. But take a closer look, and its camper DNA slowly reveals itself. With discreet exterior mods like a shore power connection, diesel heater fuel port, light bar, 100-watt solar panel, and a Maxxair fan on the roof, this camper hides some serious off-grid capability beneath its modest frame. And despite its stealthy look, it's fully equipped for extended adventures. Step inside, and you're greeted with a clean, airy space designed for both functionality and charm. The interior layout is open, with no partition between the driver's cabin and the living area, which helps the space feel more expansive. For privacy, there's a pull-up screen, a clever touch that also doubles as a projector screen. Smart, right? The driver's area has been left mostly untouched except for a headliner storage shelf and a thermostat for the diesel heater. Meanwhile, the interior design has a bright, welcoming vibe thanks to shiplap walls and ceiling, white cabinetry, and vinyl flooring, making it feel more like a Scandinavian tiny home than a vehicle. On the left side of the van sits an Iceco fridge box, topped with a cushion so it can double as a seat. This connects with a bench behind the passenger seat, and then a long bench runs along the back of the living area, forming a comfy L-shaped couch. This setup can seat up to 4 people and offers plenty of storage underneath, including a hidden portable toilet for off-grid convenience. When it's time to sleep, the couch converts quickly into a bed using a slide-out frame extension. It's a simple but effective system, offering a surprisingly cozy sleeping arrangement for such a compact space. Across from the couch is the kitchen, and though it's small, it's well-equipped. A farmhouse-style sink with a pull-out faucet, a slide-out table perfect for meals or working, and an iPad mount with a swivel arm give this space a multifunctional edge. There's even an overhead shelf with a lip for safe storage while driving, plus 4 deep drawers, one of which hides the power system, featuring a solar charge controller, inverter, and a lithium-ion battery. The van is wired with 12V, USB, and standard outlets, with dimmer switches and controls for everything from the battery heating pad to the water pump. It has 2 water tanks, one for fresh water and one for gray water. The latter includes an electric dump valve, making it super easy to manage waste at the push of a button. In true van life spirit, the rear doors can be opened to extend the living space and bring the outdoors in. Daniel and Christina of Small Van's Big World even added a slide-out table at the back, making it perfect for dining al fresco or prepping meals with a view. So while it may not have the luxury trappings of a $300,000 RV, this tiny rig has everything you truly need and more. Thoughtfully designed, stealthy, affordable, and road-ready, it's a testament to how clever design can turn even the smallest space into a full-time adventure base.